Let's start our series of mastering AI. And before mastering AI, you should know that it's one of the biggest things that's going to happen in the next decade, and you should know. And for starting with AI, you should know Python. So Python is the most simplest, easiest programming language that is available right now, and I have seen people mastering it even in 1 week. So you should start with Python, then you should move on second to object oriented programming. So you cannot call yourself a programmer if you don't know object oriented programming. So it's really important, it's a requirement. Then move past to third phase, that's advanced Python. Okay, so in advanced Python you will be learning like exception handling and serialization and all those kind of stuff. Then you have to move to the libraries past, you have to master numpy, pandas and everything. And then you can move to the next basic of programming or being a software developer, that is SQL. So you need to learn SQL or SQL to progress in your journey. Then we have to move into our next phase, that is analysis and visualization. So you should know basic analysis and visualization, which we'll be talking about in future soon. And then finally comes ML concept. So it's one of the most important things. We'll be talking about this. If you like this reel, please share and subscribe. Oh, sorry, follow, whatever.